Alliance Tower, experimental 63521.
November 6352, Whiskey calling Alliance Tower.
Alliance Tower 63521 just departed Hicks. We're northeastbound, would like to transition your airspace with Charlie.
November 63521, transition approved, altimeter 29er 89er.
29er 89er, transition approved 521. Get back over here on the center line.
Very nice.
So they got cones out, it's so low.
Yeah.
Fly this shoreline. Ugh. There's a tower right there we need to be aware of.
So where's Alliance Airport from here?
Right there.
Ah, yeah.
#21, everything's in the green.
November 63521, frequency change approved, have a good day.
Frequency change approved for 521, good day. There's this is prop wash over here.
Okay.
There's supposed to be a fly-in over there today, and I don't know what the deal is, but the guy that I was trying to go see today is going to be there later today.
Oh, nice and peaceful flying.
Yeah. Yeah, a lot of wind. It's not bumpy wind. It's just steady, I guess.
Is it pretty windy in the mountains when you flew out there?
It would depend. It was kind of like here. The winds there always went north and south unless you had a what we'd call the east winds coming over the top of the mountains. And if you had those, you just didn't fly because they're the kind of winds that tip over semis on the freeway. And
really?
But yeah, mountain flying was pretty fun up there. Everything's density altitude there. I mean, here I think density altitude today was 1,000 feet, which is, 2 or 3 feet higher than the field elevation. But up there, it's always 7,000 or 8,000 feet, and you start at, runway of 4,000 feet. Cedar Mills traffic, experimental 63521 is taking off runway 7, Cedar Mills. Gonna have a crosswind from the right. Get up here into the wind, there it is.
Yeah.
Get above that oak tree. Flaps up. Okay, so here's this little runway where we're coming over. That's the one you spotted. I see it right there.
NGA traffic, Tower 29 Kilo Romeo and taking off southeast of the airport, inbound landing, 19er Lindsay.
That would be ideal to have an airport or a little homestead like that.
Is it that?
Yeah, it's going to be on your side when you roll back.
Ah, yep. Man, that looks nice. Probably not a lot of work either, I mean.
Yeah, just natural. I mean, you probably have to maintain your strip, but everything else is just natural.
Well, give me about 5 years and I'll buy some land. Build a strip on there and a hangar out there.
Yeah.
then we can
Okay.
build a decoy house.